Alright. Y'all, I don't like the definition of completing a square. It's like a long formal definition that wouldn't make any sense to you. So we're just going to write the fourth technique. If I can spell.
That's why you're a math teacher.
That was a good one. Alright, the fourth technique
Are we on TV, Mrs. Smith?
for solving quadratics.
That's not even a definition.
Yeah, that's why I prefaced it with we're not going to do the formal definition. Alright.
You wrote 4 twice.
Yeah.
No.
Where is it?
You were an English major, weren't you?
What are you talking about? Oh.
4. The fourth technique 4.
That's TH.
No,
That's
4
definitely not.
solving.
The
The
fourth technique 4 solving.
Gotcha.
And you got someone recording your mistakes. You're just nervous for the camera.
Yeah.
That's not a front.
Alright, complete the square.
Not because of camera in here.
Hey. Y'all gonna be famous one day. Practice. Alright, complete the square. Check it out. Where's the complete the square for the expression? Right here. X squared plus bx. You're gonna add b over 2 squared. Alright, this doesn't make sense just yet. We're gonna do an example. It's gonna make some sense. B over 2.
Is that the formula we gotta remember?
No, you're gonna remember the steps. Alright. This one's b over 2 as well. And then this is x plus b over 2. Alright. And as we do problems, you'll use this as a reference. We'll go back to this. It'll make sense later. Alright. But that's important for the notes. Everybody got it? Alright. Example 1.
No, make it with today, yo.
Janae, chill.
It's Jenny. Thank you very much. And you're not saying my name correctly.
Find the value of c that makes x squared plus 12x plus c a perfect square trinomial. Then write the expression as a square of a binomial. Alright, y'all, turn over real quick to the other side. Y'all see where it started? This is the first part of the homework we're going to be doing.
Which part?
So, example, what is that? Example 1 is going to help you with 10 through 17, so pay close attention.
We doing the ones with the asterisk?
Yeah, so we're going to do 10 through 17 and 18 through 25. Alright, turn back over. Alright, step 1. Find half the coefficient of x. Alright, what's the coefficient of x? 12. Everybody see that right here?
Oh, I see this.
So you can do half of that. What's half of 12?
6.
6. Finding half of something is the same as dividing by 2, right?
Yeah.
So you're just going to take that b value, divide by 2, you get 6. That's why we wrote b over 2 up here. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Alright. After that, it says square the result of step 1. Alright, so we got 6. When we square it, do we do this or do we do that?
That.
The second one.
The second one, right? Please don't mix that up. 6 squared. What's 6 squared?
6.
Good. Alright. Then it says replace C with the result of step 2. Alright. The result of step 2 was 36.
X. So would you rewrite it?
Alright. So C equals 36.
Yeah.
Let's write it right here. What should I write for the full equation?
X squared plus 12x plus 36.
Good. Alright, last step, we have to actually break it down. Alright, if you see up here, we're just going to put what we got for b over 2. So x plus b over 2, x plus b over 2. What do we get for b over 2?
Wait. 6.
6, right?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Okay.
So we x plus 6 over 2.
No.
Just x plus 6?
X plus 6.
And then x plus
The value we put over 2, Kayla, was 12. But since we can reduce that, we don't have to put some crazy fraction in there. We're just going to put x plus 6. Alright. X plus 6 times x plus 6. Anything times itself means it's being squared, right?
So x plus 36.
X plus 6 squared.
Why didn't you just do the factor then?
It's too long.
I mean, you can do it here.
When we already, I mean, some people can do it in their head, but it's even easier if you already know that you found b over 2. You're just going to plug b over 2 in.
So
But you can't factor it though.
Yeah, you could do this if you wanted to and solve it the long way.
Okay, so when you get b,
Yeah.
the answer to b is gonna always be in the parentheses down there, like x plus that same number.
b over 2. Yeah, the answer to b over 2.
And then it's always gonna be like x plus whatever, and then x plus that same number.
Exactly. Alright, so let's do the checkpoint. Alright. Somebody coach me through number 1. Let's go with Latrice.
Oh yeah, 24, the negative 24 over 2. You get negative 12.
Good.
Yeah, you go from there. Oh, then you do negative 12 squared. You get 144.
Good. Alright, stop right there. Does everybody see how this is positive?
Yeah, my boy. Negative.
Every time you do this, y'all, it's going to come out positive. Why?
They know that because the negative times the negative is a positive.
Yeah. Whenever you square it, it's going to come out positive. Good.
Right.
So how do I write the final answer?
X squared minus 24 x plus.
Are you doing that?
Oh.
X squared minus 24 plus 1.
Alright. Y'all, actually, we got to do one more step, right?
Yeah.
It should end up like this, right? What goes in the parentheses squared?
What? I'm confused.
It's not always plus.
How you get 12? Oh, could it be 12 and negative?
Up here.
But you forgot to do that thing right here, x plus, like you did right there, x plus 6 equals x plus 6.
You kind of just jump to the final step.
I was just about to say,
Like
yeah,
writing this, you're saying?
That's what he did.
So that's not part of the answer?
This is the final answer.
Alright, so I'm waiting.
Cool?
Yeah.
Alright. Try number 2. I'll come around and check it. Then we'll do example 2, and I'll give you a lot of time to work on the past work.
Right.
As soon as you get number 2, raise your hand. I'll come and check. Yeah, good. Anybody else got it?
I can't concentrate.
I got it. There you go.
Oh, you still right?
Cause I got it.
Oh, I got it.
Okay. Alright, Latrice.
Oh my God.
Because I just found it out.
Yeah. We got it.
Come on.
Julian. Nice. Alright, Latrice.
I got it 9. Everybody get it.
TJ, what's up, man?
Oh, wait. Let me get
You're on camera.
Oh, he's not. No, you're not.
I'm pretty sure it's on.
Oh, wait.
Come on, man. This ain't even for all that.
Bring it back.
Bring it back. Bring it back. He said, no, bring it back.
You're not going to... Wait, you have to record him? This whole time?
Okay, I'll go.
Why you gotta
I got a question.
Why you gotta record it?
Just make sure you're doing his job.
This boy, look.
What, he been getting complaints?
You just trying to make sure you do his job right?
So, Mr. Smith,
What?
is that correct?